Welcome to the Cryptocurrency Investment Guide for 2025. In this video, we will explore the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies and how to navigate it effectively. To invest wisely, it's crucial to understand the current market landscape and the factors influencing it. As we move into 2025, specific trends are emerging that could reshape how we approach cryptocurrency investments. Let's explore some smart investment strategies that can help you maximize your returns this year. Diversifying your portfolio is essential. We'll discuss how to achieve a well-balanced cryptocurrency investment strategy. Risk management is key to protecting your investments. Here are strategies to safeguard your cryptocurrency assets. Technology is rapidly evolving, and staying informed about innovations can give you a competitive edge. Diligent research and analysis can significantly enhance your investment decisions. Understanding the regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies is crucial for sustainable investing. As we look towards the future, cryptocurrency presents vast opportunities for informed investors. Stay smart, stay invested.